So, traders, on today's video, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, I just want to update you guys based on how the markets have been looking from Monday and Tuesday up and until today, and what we might look to expect moving forward from today up and until Friday, because this is a midweek forex update. But before we start on the video, 80% of you guys who are always tuned in into my channel have not yet subscribed, and all I ask of you guys is, if I'm getting any value in trading journey, I ask that you share the video as you subscribe to the channel, you follow our second YouTube page, which is the crypto page, where we're aiming for a 10k target. So click that subscribe button so we can reach our target easily. And for the most part of it, UT Academy has opened its 3-day in-person mentorship courses, so there's a link down below that you can simply click, fill in the form, and most of all, join the COT Academy team and join your best Discord in the world. But without further ado, let me break down to you guys what we might look to experience and what we experienced based on the 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, USD CAD, and gold. And we're gonna start on nasdaq. And as you clearly guys understand that on nasdaq, with that level simple anticipation based on our weekly trade and outlook, you can go check it out if you haven't checked it out. That price is closed on a higher high and possible higher low, and all we were looking for, well, actually price gave us a higher high to end the week and opened with a higher low, and obviously with a higher low we anticipate what possible new all-time highs. But it happened that price couldn't break above our higher high, and what happened from there, price started forming this intraday resistance level. And looking at this intraday resistance level, this is where we might look to work on for this week, because price gave us the first reaction and came back for the second reaction, and now currently we are trading right there below the zone on our third reaction. So all I'm now gonna let you guys understand is that from price creating a resistance, we're simply waiting for a break and a retest in anticipation of possible new highs. But if price fails to break and trades below our resistance, then we're gonna simply wait for a momentum candlestick below our zone so we can anticipate those moves to the downside. And that's what we're going to be working on nasdaq, because price has already gave us a reaction and price has already printed out a resistance zone that we might work on. A break above of resistance might indicate possible continuations of those new all-time highs, but I fail to break any trade below with bullish momentum, with bear momentum, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on nasdaq. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And gold, I did indicate that on gold, on our weekly outlook, that obviously prices printed out this high, and then prices already gave us a reaction from that high, and we spoke that all we're going to be focusing on is to see, is price going to give us a break above to look for those continuations, or a fail to break that price was currently gave us, which was last Friday. If price now trades below and fails to break above, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside. And as you can clearly see it, price also already gave us a reaction with this candlesticks, and price is currently trading below our very same zone. So gold, there wouldn't be anything else that I would talk on if you haven't subscribed to the COT Academy course, because what I'm about to share to you guys, it needs you to be part of the COT Academy course. But let me break down to you what you need to understand so you can feel gold for the end of the week. So understanding that this higher high gave us this higher low, right, and then price continued, right, and then came back again to the very same zone, and then gave us a double bottom, which led into price creating this high, right? So looking at this high, you can clearly see that price did give us a reaction from that high, and then price again gave us a reaction on our very same wall, on our very same support, on our very same double bottom, right? So from the double bottom zone, price came back with a reaction. So as you can clearly see, the first low, the second low, and currently we're experiencing the third low. And all we're now going to be focusing on gold, it's very simple, because now prices already gave us a reaction on our intraday resistance and already gave us a reaction on our intraday support. All we're now going to be focusing on is to see a price breaking above, all we're going to be focusing on is to see price breaking below the support in anticipation of those possible new lows. Or as price failed to break, then I guess we might take this intraday move, anticipating price might trade on our very same resistance. But that's not what I advise you guys on, because in this UAT Academy, you always focus on one anticipation, and this anticipation is simple. If price gives us a break below for our double bottom zone of our intraday support, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. But again, I shared to you guys, with a fail to break, we might look for the reversal of that intraday move, anticipating price reaching our resistance, but that's not valid as of yet. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And USD CAD, we did speak about USD CAD, that from a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And obviously on our weekly outlook, we did live in anticipation that where price is currently trading, price gave us a lower low. We're looking for a lower high in anticipation of possible new lower lows, and as you can clearly see, price did break above our lower low and gave us a new lower low. But currently price is holding an intraday range. So from an intraday range, understand, with price having a base structure of lower lows and lower highs, and then coming to that intraday range, you understand in most cases that price will break below that very same low in anticipation of those new lows. But at the same time, if price is now gathering momentum of being bullish, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do from there. But I don't advise you guys on that one because we're still waiting for confirmation. But this will be very simple. Price is bearish, behavior is bearish, persons are bearish, and all we're focusing on is for those continuation bearish of those continuation bear moves to the downside until price gives us a possible reversal pattern. Then I guess that's what we're going to be working on. But for the most part of it, we keep it the way we keep it on those three trading pairs that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. So I hope I'm adding value in your trading, and I hope I'm adding knowledge in your trading and making sure that I am preparing you and making you destined to be a great trader within the forex industries. But without further ado, enough has been shared and enough has been said. COT Academy has opened up its 3-day in-person mentorship course. Click that link down below, and for the most part of it, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow our second YouTube page, which is Crypto with King Harlem. But without further ado, that's support Harlem King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next educational video.